Hello, I am Janine Gray, Associate Dean of the Honours Bachelor of Science in Bioveterinary Science program here at the University of Niagara Falls, Canada. The Honours Bachelor of Science in Bioveterinary Science program is designed to provide an integrated, comprehensive curriculum to prepare students for admission to veterinary school, other graduate degree programs, and careers in biological research, associated animal industries, and paraprofessions allied to the veterinary science. The program's mission is to provide a student who exhibit a passion for biological science and animal health with the opportunity to gain knowledge and competency in the field, along with an understanding of the role of contemporary digital technologies in animal health and welfare. The program is also designed to foster intellectual curiosity, leading to progression to veterinary school, other postgraduate degree programs, and careers in veterinary technology, animal health and welfare, and associated industries. The program will provide a solid grounding in biological foundations of living systems, chemical and physical foundations of biological systems, biological and chemical foundations in animal behavior, and scientific inquiry and reasoning. Core curriculum will include biology, molecular biology, chemistry, organic chemistry, genetics, biostatistics, anatomy, physiology, and emerging technology in animal health, such as artificial intelligence and virtual reality. The program will share institutional learning outcomes, including a digital mindset, collaboration and problem solving, working with big data analytics, ethics, and both verbal and visual communication. These topics and others will allow students to relate and apply their comprehension of the underlying tenets of the discipline. The purposeful integration of elements of the curriculum allows students to apply the foundational concepts in the field to contemporary questions and problems. Multiple group and team-based learning opportunities are incorporated into the program, allowing students to become efficient with team-based communication and exercises. Students develop the intellectual curiosity that leads to lifelong learning, which promotes success in health-related professional schools, other postgraduate degree programs, and careers in the biological research and associated industries. Through partnerships with key community organizations and businesses, students will have access to both the knowledge and experience they need for success.